Are you wet?
Yes.
A little bit?
A little bit, not very much.
It's kind of cool. This reminds me of the parade I saw at Hong Kong Disneyland. It's like the same concept as the Hong Kong Disneyland Waterworks parade. It's kind of cool, actually. It's cool. It's like the same concept as the Hong Kong Disneyland parade. That's Waterworks parade. So cool. Oh, I love that. Oh, I got wet. Nice. That feels great, actually. That feels amazing. Feels great. Fire hydrant. That's cool. That was great. This is the parade Six Flags St. Louis is supposed to get. We stole it from America.
competition. We're looking for some kids with some real ambition. Raise your hand if you want to audition. It's a super, super kind of mission. Alright, get up, big bang, go again, there you go. Let's do it. We're gonna start so hard. We're gonna be so good. It's kids against adults and the kids are all in. Here's what they gotta do if they really wanna win. They've all got groups laying out on the street. They gotta stay inside with both of their feet. We'll give each of them a bucket of H2O. They can fill up their toys with the water that's low. The whole idea is just to have fun. At the end you'll vote and we'll see who won. They can twist and turn, they can jump and duck. But if it's up outside, then you're out of luck. Get ready, sit up. Alright, these kids are ready to start. Inside those hoops is where you'll stay. Get ready, get set, come on, let's play!
Oh god, oh god! This is weird for these kids to hit the actual first performers. Oh my god, correct it.
Kids are ahead of the store, but now together there's a cool trick in store. If you get more water, then you will not fail. And after we fill it, hold on to the pail. This is a time when you can't be shy, so raise up your bucket and hold it high. Stay in your hoop and don't forget, your goal is to get those grown-ups wet. First 2 buckets go! Next 2 buckets go! Alright everybody, the score is a tie. Pick up your shield and try to skate high. Get back in your hoops, no, don't be slow. The game's almost over, come on, let's go.
Such a great break.
The vote, the game is done. Now let's find out who you think won. Bummers? How about the kids?
Yeah!
Wait, look, check the temperature out. The heat is rising, there isn't a doubt. You're about to get soaked, so I want to be clear. You better hide that phone and that souvenir. Look out, she's ready to blow. Countdown,
Oh, no.
people, here we go. 5, 4, 3,
Oh, no.
2, 1.
Look at this. Yay.
Just like a flash, a fire than a fish in the sea. Big blast, it happened so fast. Now it's raining down all over me. And now we float a little bit, and I'm soaked to the bone. But now I'll always have to do it. Hot flash, starting fast. Now I'm all baby step on the gas. Rocking and rolling, splish splash. Slipping and strong and splish splash.
invite me?